Richie, I ride for Yeti Fox Factory Racing. I'm a two-time Enduro World Champion, and I ride with CushCore. I don't have to worry about it as much. I'm gonna send it, I'm gonna go for it, and I don't have to think about, oh, I better be careful through here because I'm gonna pinch my tire and go flat. Run like lower pressure and still have like great sidewall support, and like I don't have to worry about my tire coming off the rim because the bead's locked in pretty well with it.